Are you exercising?
Yeah.
Oh, look at those big arms. Oh. Oh, look at her. Can you pedal that thing?
It's
sitting up too high.
too high for me, pedal down here.
Too high for you to pedal down there. Huh?
Yeah. This is a big seat, pedal.
Yes, it is.
That's not a big seat. That's a little seat. Watch, I can do it.
Let's see you do it.
Okay.
Got this one?
This is exercising. Oh, look at her go. You want to loosen up that deal for her so she can go the other way?
Look, Mommy.
Pull that deal down, Whitney.
All right.
What do you want me to do?
It's too tight for her. She can't push it the other way.
What's too
She can only pedal backwards. Loosen up the thing.
It's gone. It's gone. It's right there, though. Turn it back on. Oh, Mommy, turn it that way. She did. Daddy.
Is that turning, Cashel?